maybe you could keep me happy, but you've been on the road. Oh, I've never needed love so badly. I'm feeling so alone. And you know that I've been often dreaming of having you around. But my life is so complicated, I don't wanna bring you down. I just wanna be free from the freak and feel love for the first time. I just wanna love something about me, see something to open my eyes. Don't wanna be the only one with the house key, have something I'm proud of. I wish we were living in my dreams, cause in another world you'll come with me and we'd be.
Hey Palawi Nation, it's me again, Palawi ang Pupaglagan, and welcome back to another travel vlog. Currently, nandito pa rin tayo sa Davao City. So, it's our last day here. So, pupunta kami ngayon sa Samal Island. So, I'm going to discuss to you what are the things that you need to do para makapunta kayo ng Samal Island. So, currently, nandito kami ngayon sa Sasa Wharf. So, 20 pesos para meron kayong token. Yun yung ilalagay nyo doon sa gate. So, mag-wait na lang tayo ng another schedule ng barge papunta doon sa Samal Island. So, tara, let's go!
I don't know where this road is going anymore. Yeah, you are scared of.
Naiwan kami ng bus, guys. So we're going to Samal. It's our first time in Samal. Ito lang, wala kami dalang ibang gamit. Ito lang.
Sent to me, cause they'll never understand what's inside of us. Inside.
Guys, it's boarding time. Boarding time. So, 20 pesos lang yung pamasahe from here to Samal Island.
So to everything, you found me when I was lost. Can't you see that this is our time? This is our time. This is our.
Hey guys, touchdown na tayo dito sa Island of Samal. So, from the port itself, naglakad lang kami ng mga 5 to 10 minutes going to the south, attack to the south. And kasi yung aming destination for today is sa Kaputian. So it's actually the other side of the port area. So it will just actually take 1.5 hours maximum of travel. So nag-aantay na lang kami ng bus kasi mas makakamura tayo pag nag-bus tayo. Aside from the bus, merong mga other mode of transportation na pwede nyo i-take advantage. One is the Ongbak. So it will cost you 200 each papunta doon daw. Pero may nag-offer sa amin doon 350, so it's kinda mahal in some way kasi kapag nag-bus daw, it's just less than 100 pesos yung pamasahe. So yun, nag-aantay na lang kami and luckily nakakita kami ng kapihan dito. Feel ko magkakape si Nico kasi atsa ko rin, gusto ko magkape. Just for an added kick kasi ang aga pa natin nagising kanina. Hey guys, so ayun, sumuko na kami after an hour ng pag-aantay ng bus. Hindi talaga kami nakasakay. Wala talagang bus na dumaan. Kumakay na lang kami ng bao-bao. And this is just for 250 pesos. So, it will take us like an hour maximum. 59 minutes sabi ni Kuya Driver. Papunta sa Kaputian. Dito sa Kaputian, sa terminal ang ating bagsak. Kasi doon kami susunduin nung aming host for tonight. Paka-nice dito guys kasi yung kanilang motor, yung tricycle nila is pare-pare yung parang tuk-tuk ng Thailand, parang ganyan siya. Good morning! Ay! Ala! Good morning! Good morning! Good morning! Good morning! Hey Palawi Nation! Good morning! It's our day 2 here in Samal Island. So hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kahapon kasi bumili kami ng food, nakapagkwentuhan, and then hindi ko na na-charge yung battery ng aking camera. So hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kagabi. Pero nonetheless, it was a good morning indeed kasi masarap yung tulog namin. At saka at the same time, napakamaalaga na aming host today. It's Ate Ganggang. Yan, yan yung kanilang dirty kitchen. Ito yung bahay nila. So si Ate Ganggang is kapitbahay nila Nico doon sa kanilang province sa Beslig, Mangagoy to be exact. And I was able to know more about Nico and Mama and ano yung life nila before because of Ate Ganggang. Kasi parang isang buong, kung sa libro pa, isang buong nobela yung ginawa niya kanina. A very interesting conversation kanina while we're doing our coffee. Itinerary for today, pupunta tayo doon sa beachfront ng Samal Island. Then maliligo tayo doon and also ipapakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung ganda ng beachfront ng Samal Island. Okay? So
Is
tara,
this
let's go.
what it means to have growing pains? Never come out the way you went in the same. Just as diamonds shine from pressure, babe. You don't know true love until your heart breaks. Yeah. You're gonna have to hurt sometimes. So painful you can barely survive. Tired from the sleepless nights, you run out of your tears from all of the crying. This is what it means to have growing pains. Never come out the way you went in the same. Just as
Hey guys, we made it here sa kanilang beachfront. This is Laura. Dito pa rin sa Samal Island. It's giving me Boracay vibe. Napaka-pino ng buhangin. So, napaka-nice. So, from Kaputian, dun sa bahay ni Ate Ganggang, 30 to 45 minutes going here. And yung pamasahe is 50 pesos. So, doon na lugar, merong bayad na 100 pesos ang entrance kasi sakop siya ng isang resort. So, dito lang kami sa gilid, which is walang bayad. Parehas din na view yung makukuha natin. Income of the community, guys, is pangingisda. So you can see, merong mga bangka dito na nakapark. So para makita natin yung kabuuan ng kanilang beachfront, tara, lipad tayo. Let's go!
Baby, you could keep me going, 'cause you've been everywhere. Let me take up all the love you're showing. I need it more than air. And you know that I've been suffocating. You could be the one to help, but my issues are nauseating. I don't wanna bring you down. I just wanna be free from the freak and feel love for the first time. I just wanna love something about me, see something to open my eyes. Don't wanna be the only one with the house key, have something I'm proud of. I wish we were living in my dreams, 'cause in another world you come with me and we'd be out of sight, out of mind. Drop your windows down with your hand in mine. Out of sight, out of mind, out of sight, out of mind, out of mind.
And how was the experience, love?
It's so nice. My beach, inner beach
Cravings, gano'n.
cravings kay na-satisfy. Dito na to sa kilid agi kay wala entrance. So, yeah,
This is for free.
And then siguro bigyan lang namin si Kuya.
Nag-offer siya ng mga bangko,
Offer chairs.
chairs. Wala naman siyang sinabing how much, pero magbibigay kami.
Plan ahead of time and make sure to bring with you your car. And one day is not enough. Talagang mabibitin kayo. Look at this place, guys, oh. Tapos sabi ni Kuya kanina, you can bring your own tent. Para hindi na kayo gumastos doon sa parang beach resort nila.
So, kayo nga, you need to bring your car or kung meron kayong motor, pwede kayo magmotor dito. Before kayo pumunta dito, make sure to do research kung saan yung magagandang beaches, kung paano kayo makakapunta doon. I suggest you download maps.me, run by GPS. So, you can use that. Yun yung ginagamit ko pag nagtatravel ako kasi pwede siyang offline. So, I think this is the best time to end this vlog, and if you are not yet my subscriber, please do subscribe by clicking the red subscribe button and the bell next to it para ma-update ka sa mga bagong vlogs kagaya nito. It's me again, Antoy Palaboy, ang pobreng lagan.
And this is Bakti!
And saying, explore because life is too short and be a responsible lagan. Till next time, bye!